Yes, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to InfoBairy YouTube channel with a new informative video. And today we are diving into the world of content creation and exploring some amazing tools that can make the content creator life so much easier. Whether you are a seasoned YouTuber, a newbie blogger, or a social media whiz, these tools will help you streamline your workflow, boost your creativity, your streamline the workflow, your boost your creativity, and ultimately create fantastic content. So watch the video till the end. I will provide you the 6 powerful content creation tools, which are very essential for the newbie content creator. So let's go. We are going to the Here we go. These are the 6 first we start with the 3D way. Uh, we will later explain it, but I will tell you what are the 6 powerful tools. Then we are going to watermark remover, which is very important and helpful tool for the content creator. Then we are going to the Atlas and Trello, and Trello is for project management, and this is very much useful for those who are working in team. And so after that we have a small PDF. If you have any issue with your PDF, any query, you want to uh, change your PDF to Word, or you want to split, you want to merge PDF. So small PDF is very useful tool for that. And after that we have Animoto, and Animoto is used for video creation. We will later on check how to make video with the Animoto. And in the end we have the VENGA gauge, and VENGA gauge is used for the online for platform for infographics. So before we explore how to deal with these all tools for content creators, if you please subscribe my channel for more informative video and press the bell icon. Yes, starting with the first of our first tool for content creation is 3D Way, and this website is the largest free 3D image collection site, and having a wide range of high quality, royalty free 3D illustration, and we can also create our need of images and illustrations here. Uh, it's a free trove of models, 3D models, textures, and even HDRI environments. If you are creating explainer videos, product presentations, or just want to add some extra flair to your content, 3DB is a fantastic resource, and you can find high quality models for almost anything you can imagine, all for free with proper attribution. You can check this out. These are amazing 3D images. You can explore the collections. You can save your collection here. You can pick the categories here. E-commerce, financial market, health and wellness, product management, social work, product marketing, and many more. These are the categories with the business, finance, COVID, and you can also search here your like if we want any other which is not present in categories and collections, we can search here and download it from here with no price. It's all free. You are video content creator, and you want to remove watermarks from your video, your images. So this is the best website I have seen, and the name of this website is Watermark Remover, and website is watermarkremover.io. I can go there and check. This online tool is a lifesaver if you ever find yourself dealing with unwanted watermarks on images, videos. Simply you can upload your images here, and watermark remover works its magic, removing the watermark while preserving the quality of the picture. And it's a quick and easy solution, and especially helpful for finding the free stock photos online. Then we have a small PDF. We can check this out. This is a smallpdf.com. It's a one-stop shop for all your PDF needs, from compressing large files of PDF and merging documents to converting PDFs to different formats like Word, like images, like any PowerPoint, different. You can check this out. These are the tools where merge PDF, split, rotate, edit. You can edit and PDF to Word, PDF to Excel, PowerPoint, JPG, and you can also uh, convert the Word to PDF, Excel to PDF. You can also e-sign PDF, and if you have locked PDF from somewhere with password, you can unlock here. You can protect your PDF from here, and it's amazing, and Small PDF has all these amazing features. And whether you are sending your presentations or collaborating with others, Small PDF makes PDF management a breeze. We can say that a breeze. That's amazing. Then we have a Trello. It's a project management software, and this is web-based Kanban list-making application, and developed by the Trello Enterprise. And this is a subsidiary of Atlassian, which is a very great uh, group of tech. So what we can do here, this is the organizational project management software, and it's a fantastic project management tool that helps you stay organized and on top of your content creation process. You can engage your team members here. You can create boards here, you can create chatbots here, and you can create the your projects, your task, and you can and starting with the to do and then ending with the finished work here. And it's on live. All these tasks are going live for to each and every member of the team, and you can create boards for different projects, break down tasks into manageable steps, and collaborate with others. It's a visual way to keep track of your ideas and deadlines and ensure never miss. Our fifth important tool for content creation is Animoto. Animoto is a video creation tool. This is an online platform that lets you create stunning animated videos with ease. Even if you have no prior video editing experience, you are a layman, you can use Animoto's intuitive interface, uh, like to drag and drop photos. You can these all platforms are free, and you can choose from a variety of templates and add music to create. These are the templates. We can celebration, workplace, marketing, personal. These are different categories. Education, and it's a great way to spice up your social media content or create engage. And the last but not the least for today is Vengage. And if you want infographics for your content, and this is the amazing website I have gone through. And this is not a designer, and this is the online platform for perfect creation of infographics, reports, presentations, and that these infographics are both like informative and visually appealing. Wengage offers a wide range of templates, icons. You can check these things out, charts, diagrams, allowing you to create impactful visual within minutes. And whether you can database or a design enthusiast, VENGA GE can help you take your communication to the next level. And that wraps up our 6 powerful content creation tools. Uh, I hope you discover something new and exciting that can enhance your workflow. Remember, the best tool is the one that works for you. So explore these options, see what fits your needs, and don't be afraid to experiment. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content creation tips and tricks. And the comments option section is open, and let me know what your favorite tools are and how you use them to create some awesome content. Thanks for watching and keep creating content. Please keep sharing this InfoBairy for more tips and tricks. Thank you.